Hi everybody, it's Katrina. Welcome to the Crafty Corner. So remember when I was talking about doing the teen concepts for the Barbie with the sugar scrubs, the bath bombs, and the hand cream? Well, I ordered some pink boxes from Temu, and I'm just going to flip you around. And these are the boxes that came in. Okay. Very easy to put together. They come in, they're flat, just like that. Alright. So I got the boxes in and I started just looking at it and trying to decide how I was going to place these things in there. So of course, you know, the hand cream comes in the set of 4 in this box. Alright. And this is one of them. That's what one of them looks like. There's a white one with red and black writing. There's a black one that has red writing on it. And then there's one that says limited edition Barbie. So these are very nice sets. I got these at Hobby Lobby. Alright, so I decided to use those. Well, I also picked up the bath bombs at Hobby Lobby too. What I like about these bath bombs is that they are already individually wrapped. Alright. Otherwise, y'all know I was going to bust out that heat wrap, shrink wrap, and make it do what it's supposed to do. So, I use these. And what I did was I put 3 lotions and 2 bath bombs in the box. All right, and then I decided that I wanted to put this pretty pink bow on top of it so that it would still say Barbie but have a little Christmas spirit to it too, because that ribbon has snowflakes on it. All right, now in this box right here, there was a big backer in there that had Barbie all over it. So as you can see, I have cut the backer up and used it in this concept. And then this is what I have come up with. Alright, so there's our limited edition hand cream. We have the Barbie girl in the back and the other Barbie hand cream there. And then I have 2 of the bath bombs in there. All right, and then I topped it with this beautiful bow. And as you can see, I used the Barbie paper as a backer in here, as well as a little ledge for my bow. I've also placed it here and used it as a backer here. So please tell me what you think in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.
Yeah. 'Cause I